Good morning. How can I help you? Good morning. I would like to ask about my child's admission. All right. Is this your first visit to our school? Yes, this is my first visit. Okay. May I know your child's name, please? My child's name is Harry. Thank you. How old is Harry? He is 6 years old. All right. Which class would you like to apply for? I would like to apply for grade 1. Okay. Is Harry currently studying at any school? Yes, he is studying at a nearby school. I see. Do you have his previous school records? Yes, I have all the required documents. That is good. Please fill out this admission form. All right. You will also need a copy of the birth certificate and 2 passport-size photographs. Okay, I understand. After submitting the form, there will be a short interview. When will the interview be? It will be next Monday. Okay, thank you for the information. You're welcome. If you have any questions, please let us know. Sure, thank you very much. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Where are you going?
I am going to the library.
That's good. Are you studying for your exams?
Yes, teacher. I am preparing for my English exam.
How are you finding the English lessons?
They are interesting, but sometimes a little difficult.
Which part is difficult for you?
Grammar is difficult, especially tenses.
That is normal. You need to practice a little every day.
Yes, teacher. I am trying to practice regularly.
Did you complete yesterday's homework?
Yes, I completed all of it.
Very good. Did you understand the questions?
Most of them, but I had trouble with one question.
You can ask me about it after class.
Thank you, teacher.
Are you feeling nervous about the exam?
Yes, a little nervous.
That is okay. Being nervous is normal. Just revise your lessons and stay calm.
I will do that.
Make sure you sleep well before the exam.
Yes, teacher.
And do not forget to read the questions carefully.
I understand.
All right. I have to go to my next class now.
Okay, teacher.
Good luck with your studies.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See you later.
See you later, teacher.
Hello, son. You look a little tired today. How was your day at school?
Hi, Dad. It was a long day. We had many classes and a surprise test.
A surprise test? That sounds stressful. How did it go?
I think I did okay, but I'm not fully confident. Some questions were difficult.
That's all right. What subject was the test?
It was mathematics.
I remember you saying math is challenging for you. What part do you find difficult?
Word problems. I understand formulas, but I get confused while reading questions.
That's a common problem. You need to read slowly and understand the question first. Practice will help.
Yes, Dad. I know I need more practice.
How about your other subjects? Which one do you enjoy the most?
I really enjoy English.
That's wonderful. What do you like about English?
I like learning new words and speaking in English. I also enjoy listening to English stories and videos.
That's excellent. Good communication skills are very important.
Yes, my teacher also says that.
Speaking of teachers, did your teacher give you homework today?
Yes, I have homework in math, science, and English.
That's quite a lot. Have you started it yet?
Not yet. I wanted to rest for a while.
Rest is important, but homework should not be delayed. What is your plan for today?
I plan to start after dinner.
Good plan. How many hours do you usually study every day?
About 1 to 1.5 hours on school days.
That's good, but quality matters more than time. Do you study with full focus?
Sometimes, yes, but sometimes I get distracted by my phone.
I understand. Try to keep your phone away during study time. You can use it after finishing your work.
That sounds fair. I will try to follow that.
Do you revise your lessons regularly?
Not regularly. I usually study seriously only before exams.
That's not the best way. Daily revision makes learning easy and stress-free.
You're right, Dad. Before exams, I feel very nervous.
That happens when preparation is late. If you study a little every day, you will feel more confident.
I want to improve my habits.
That's great to hear. We can make a simple study schedule together.
Really? That would help me a lot.
Of course, we'll include study time, rest time, and fun time.
Thank you, Dad. I feel motivated now.
Tell me, what do you want to become in the future?
I want to become an engineer.
That's a great goal. For that, your studies are very important.
Yes, Dad. I know I need to work harder.
I'm proud of you already. You ask questions and you want to improve.
That means a lot to me.
Remember, son, success comes with patience and consistency.
I will remember that.
All right, after dinner, we'll start with your math homework together.
Thank you, Dad. I feel much better now.
You're welcome. I'm always here for you.
I love you, Dad.
I love you too, son.